You searched how to buy shares of HighPeak Energy Inc., and this brief guide will show the basic steps to locate and purchase HPK. HighPeak Energy Inc. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HPK, and this information is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading a valid ID, and then add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HPK to find the exact listing. Make sure the search result matches HighPeak Energy Inc. before you continue. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and chart to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review order details and submit the order after confirming size and order type. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A soft call to action. The example link to eToro is available in the description below.